Let's make a DIY toothpaste without the added BS of commercial toothpaste. 1/2 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. It contains antimicrobial properties, helps remove plaque, and it kills the bacteria that causes gum disease. 1/2 cup of baking soda. Whitens teeth, mild abrasive, removes plaque. A little bit of sea salt. 100% pure peppermint oil. Cooling effect. About 5 drops. Cinnamon for taste and antibacterial and antifungal properties. Clove is anesthetic and antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. Also help relieve tooth pain. I'm going to crush it. But you can also use clove oil or crushed cloves. Give it a stir. It should look like this. Let it solidify and enjoy.